guys, we are from Makeitt, an IT startup which is oriented towards nation young generation empowerment, and this is my next video in the Vedic mathematics. And earlier I have done plenty of videos related to how to do the addition, how to do the subtraction, and what about digit sum, what about the multiplication, how it can be done very in a simplified manner. And in the same fashion, now I'm getting into this Vedic math for finding the square root of a given number. Yeah, so as to find the square root of a given number, yeah, what are the techniques or what are the tricks available in Vedic math so that they can be done in a very comfortable manner. Yeah, let me get into this, guys. And before that, let me tell you one more point called, yeah, earlier we have been into a book, in reading into a book called Surya Siddhanta, where this book is really powerful, where it has revealed the secrets of universe, astronomy, and other mathematics, and it was written thousands and thousands of years ago. While going through that book, or when I was going through that book, I came to know certain things like what is the distance between Earth and the Moon. Yeah, it was mentioned with a number, and according to the modern calculations also, those two values are quite syncing with each other. They are reliably and reasonably accurate, and without these two telescopes called Copernicus or Galileo telescope, yeah, they are in a position to identify what about these distances, everything is calculated, right? Yeah, what I'm trying to say here is, in the ancient Indian math, there is a rigorous, solid, and powerful techniques or proofs available through which they have disclosed the secrets of these astronomical objects. Like they have given us what is the diameter of Earth, what is the diameter of Saturn, what is the diameter of Jupiter, what is the diameter of Mars, and they have given certain concepts like trigonometry and other geometrical aspects. Yeah, in fact, it's a very beautiful book. Yeah, you can go for wiki or you can directly read that book. The name of the book is Surya Siddhanta. Yeah, it's the heritage of the ancient India. Yeah, thereby you can observe or understand what is the power of our nation. Yeah, coming to this Vedic maths, yeah, it is inspired from Rig Veda, and it is not only in Rig Veda, it is in some other holy scriptures or sacred scriptures of India, ancient India. And this was compiled and interpreted by a famous personality from Govardhan Peetam, Puri. He is Jagadguru Sri Bharati Krishna Tirtha Ji. Let's say some tribute to him, as he is the person behind this. And yeah, let's dive into the concept. And today, as I told you, I'm going to discuss about how to find the square root of a given number using Vedic math. And for that, first I have gone for certain squares, like what is 11 square, what is 12 square, what is 13 square, and so on up to what is 30 square. Yeah, how they could be found, whether I have to by heart them, or is there any technique for finding them in a comfortable manner. Yeah, that is what all I need to get some clarification. Yeah, dear students, there is no need to by heart them absolutely. Yeah, just with some tricks, yeah, I can present them, I can calculate them then and there itself very comfortably. Like if you have a look at 11, it's something like, let me write it, let me take a pen. This 11 is 1 greater than 10, right? I have taken that and mention square here. What is 1 square? 1 here. And what about 11 plus 1? 12. 121. That is the answer. There is no need to calculate. There is no need to do anything. Directly with this small trick or technique, I can write it just like that. And coming to 12, 12 is 2 greater than 10, right? So I have taken 2 here. And what about 2 square? 2 square is 4. That is my last digit. And what about 12 plus 2? 14. And coming to this one, 13 is 3 greater than 10. What about 3 square? 3 square is 9. And what is 13 plus 3? 16. What about 14? Yeah, it's something like plus 4 square. 4 square is a 16. Place 6 here. 1 a carry. And 14 plus 4 is 16 plus 1. Sorry, somewhere I have missed out. 14. Yeah, it is plus 4 square. 4 square is 16. Yeah, I have mentioned 1 here. And 14 plus 4 is 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, likewise, I can go on with the remaining things also. Okay, I can go on with the remaining things also. And how to calculate the square of this 20 to 30? How they could be done? That is another thing I need to calculate. Yeah, it is also very simple, guys. 21 is 1 greater than 20. Take 1 square here. What is 1 square? 1. What is 21 plus 1? 22. And multiply this by 2. Why I have to multiply this one by 2 is because 20 is 2 times greater than 10. Here 10 is my actual base and 20 is the base which is near to this number. As 20 is 2 times greater than 10, I am multiplying here by 2. So the value is 441. Take another value. Take 24. 24 is 4 greater than 20. 4 square is 16. So I have written 6 here. And 1 is the carry. And 24 plus 4 is 28. 28 into 2 is 56. 56 plus 1 is 57. 576 is the answer. And same as the remaining things. I can do it with all the remaining things. And what about 31 to 40? Yeah, the same. What is that? Take this 33. 33 is 3 times greater than 30. And what about 3 square? It's 9. And what about 33 plus 3? 36. What is 36 into 3? Yeah, it's 108. Why? Because 3 into 6 is 18, 3 3s are 90, 90 plus 18 is 108. Yeah, likewise, you can simply calculate the square of any given number. This I have done a video already in one of our playlists, and this is where I am recapping it again, because this squares evaluation is also important to find the square root of a given number very comfortably. That's why I am recapping it once again. And let's dive into how to find the square root of a given number. Fine. What is square root of 576? Take the last digit or units position, 6. There are two probable values for getting 6. What are they? 4 into 4 is 16. 6 into 6 is 36. In either case, the unit digit value is 6 only. 16 or 36. Now if I have a look at 5, 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 2 is 4, 3 into 3 is 9. I cannot take 9 because the nearest perfect square for 5 is 2. So the starting digit is 2, and already we have calculated the last digit could be either 4 or 6. So the answer is either 24 or 26. I can have any of these two values. And again there is a question called, among these two, which one is the correct answer? So as to evaluate that, we have to apply one more technique called root digit. What is root digit? I have to find the root digit of this number. What is root digit is 7 plus 6 is 13, 13 plus 8 is 19, and again 1 plus 9 is 10, and again 1 plus 0 is 1. Sorry, somewhere I have missed here. 13 plus 8 is 18, it's not 19, sorry. So it is 9, and the root digit is also 9. Okay, root digit is also 9. This is the root digit, whatever I got. And now apply the same to this one, 24 or 26. So what is that? 24 into 24. Why I am doing this 24 into 24? Because 24 into 24 might be equal to 576, right? That's what we are guessing. So apply the root technique for this. What is the root digit technique for this? What is that? 2 plus 4 is 6, and here also I got a 6. 6 into 6 is 36, and 3 plus 6 is 9. So the answer is 24. Yeah, let's give a try with another number, another probability. What is that? 26. Here I have to write 26 into 26. 26 into 26. 2 plus 6 is 8. Yeah, it is 8 into 8. What is 8 into 8? 64. 6 plus 4 is 10. 1 plus 0 is 1, which is not the root digit. So 26 cannot be a answer. 24 is the answer. Yeah, let me tackle the other one. What is that? 1 is the unit digit value. So here the probable values are 1 or 9, because 1 into 1 is 1 and 9 into 9 is 81. These are the probable values, right? And coming to this one, I cannot take 2 because 2 into 2 is 4, which is not near to 3, right? I have to take 1 into 1. Yeah, 1, 11 or 18. Either of these could be the answer. And as we already know, 11 into 11 is 121. This cannot be the answer. And 18 into 18 is 361. Okay. Sorry, it's not 18, it's 19, right? Because I have to take this one, not this one. Yeah, 19 is the answer for it. Or if you have any doubt, yeah, you can apply this root digit technique for finding it. Yeah, let's get into the next one. I got 4 at the units position, so the probable values are 2 or 8, because 2 into 2 is 4 or 8 into 8 is 64. In both the cases, 4 is at the end position, 2 or 8 are the probable values. And coming to this 4, what is that? 2. So the answer is 22 or 28. Okay, what is correct among these two? As we already know, 25 square is a 625. Okay, 25 square is 625, and we have to calculate the square of 484, square root of 484. So if I take 28, then certainly the square value will be greater than 484. So 28 cannot be the answer. This is one more trick. Just I am applying a technique in each and every case. It's all common sense, guys. Just I am applying whatever the math I know, and I am trying to tell you in how many ways it can be solved. It can be figured out. Okay, don't panic, and yeah, if you are comfortable with this technique, yeah, just follow that. That's pretty good, and you can directly follow that. Or I am telling you the other ways of solving it. When I compare with the 625, as 484 is less than 625, I am not supposed to take 28, because 28 square will be quite greater than this 484, right? Or 625 even. So 22 is the answer for it. And take this one, 729. What What is 729? The unit digit is 9, so that there are two probabilities. What are they? Either 3 or 7 can be used here. 3 into 3 is 9 and 7 into 7 is 49. Okay, so I am going to get 9 here. And what about this one? 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4. 2 is the nearest perfect square for it, so the probable answers are either 23 or 27. These are the two probable values. And which one is correct here? Again, there is a question that as usual, I can take the same previous technique. 625 is the square value of 25. Here I got a confusion between which one I need to choose, 23 or 27. As 729 is greater than 625, certainly 27 is the answer. I think I have made it clear. And coming to the next one, it's something like 6 is there, right? So the probables are either 4 or 6. Coming to this one, 3 3s are 9, or if I take 100, okay, 11, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, yeah, 3 is my first digit. And which one is the correct answer? 34 or 36? So my root digit is 4 here, which I have mentioned here. And coming to the root digit of this, 34 into 34. 34 into 34, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 into 7 is 49, and 4 plus 9 is 13. Okay, 1 plus 3 is 4. So they are quite matching, right? So 34 is the answer. Yeah, you just try with the other one also. If you are going to get the same root digit, then apply this middle one. What is that? Apply, take this 35 square and compare with this 35 square, and then decide whether you have to choose either 34 or 36. That is another straight technique for finding them. And what about 784? Here the unit digit is 4, right? And it can be formed in two ways, either 2 or 8, because 2 into 2 is 4, 8 into 8 is 64. In either of the case, the last digit is 4. Okay, simply I can take it. And coming to the previous one, it's 3, right? So 2 is the probable, 22 or 28. Which one is the correct answer for it? Again, take the same one. What is that? 25 square is 625, and 784 is greater than 625, thereby 28 is the answer. And what about 2304? Yeah, for getting 4, I need to take either 2 or 8, because 2 into 2 is 4, 8 into 8 is 64. And coming to this, okay, 23, 5 5s are 25, 4 4s are 16, so 4 is the probable value. And which one is correct answer? Either 42 or 48. Which one is the correct answer? How I need to decide? How I need to decide very quickly? Yeah, it's very simple. Take 45 and calculate the square of it. How to calculate the square of 45? Is it very difficult? No, it's not at all difficult, because as I have a 5 here, take the previous digit 4 and multiply this one with the next digit of 4, that is 4 plus 1, which is 5. Yeah, where I got 4 into 5, which is a 20, and multiply this one with 100, which is 2000, and add a 25 to it, which is 2025. 2025. Now compare this 2304 with 2025. Is it greater or not? Yes, it is greater, thereby the value is 48. Very simple. And this is one such technique which was there in Vedic math. When a number is ending with a 5, and if there is a need that I have to find the square of it, it's very simple. Write the number before 5 into this number plus 1, 5 into 100 plus 25, where 25 is a constant. Yeah, it is applicable to any number that is ending with 5. Yeah, hope you have got what I have done here, guys. And the other one, 4489. Here 9 is the last digit is 9, or the unit position is 9. So the probables are either 3 or 7, because 3 into 3 is 9, or 7 into 7 is 49. And the first digit is, something like I am taking it. Okay, 6 6 are 36, 7 7 are 49. So it is 63 or 67. Okay, what is this again? Yeah, let me find out what is the square value of 65. Using my previous technique, yeah, I'm doing it. Yeah, what is the square root of 65? Yeah, 65 square is, I think it's 6 plus 6 into 7, 42, 42 into 100, 4200 plus 25. So 4225 is the square value of 65. I just have calculated this, and compare this 4489 with 4225. It is greater, right? So 67 is the answer. Yeah, why I'm doing this, why I'm telling this directly means just you have to do the calculations in your mind. That's all about Vedic math is, right? If you can do the calculations in your mind itself, then your brain power will be illuminated. That will get increased, such that your utilization of a brain will be increased, will sharpen your brain, and visualization power will be improved. Yeah, that's why I'm doing it. And now the next question, what is the square root value of 15625? Yeah, here I have taken, yeah, you can observe, first I have taken a 3-digit number, then a 4-digit number, then a 5-digit number. Yeah, likewise I'm doing it, right? Just have a look at these guys, through which we can understand how to find the square root of a 3-digit or 4-digit or 5-digit or even more. Yeah, in one of my earlier next videos I will tell you how to find the square root of a 6-digit number also. And here I got 5 here, so the probable is 5. And coming to this 156, okay, what is the nearest perfect square to 156? If I take 12, it is 144. If I take 13, it's 169. So 12 is the probable value. So 125 is the answer. Simple. And coming to this one, okay, as I got 1 here at the end, my unit digit position is either 1 or 9, either 1 or 9, and because 1 into 1 is 1 and 9 into 9 is 81, and I got a 524 here. Okay, this is the one I need to calculate. As I have got 20 into 20 is 400. Okay, 20 is 400. I need to consider what about 21 square, 22 square, or 23 square. Yeah, I need to consider them. Okay, yeah, just to calculate this guys, 22 is the probable value for it. 22 into 22 is, yeah, it's very simple again. What is 22 square? Yeah, as I told you already, 4, 22 into 2, 22, 24, 48, 484 I think. 22 square is 484, and 484 is less than 524. Then what about 23 square? Let me check that one also. 23 square is 9 is the last digit, and 23 plus 3, 26 into 2, 52, 529. So I am not supposed to take 23 because 529 is greater than 524, right? So the probable value is 22, and the answer is 229. Okay, for confirming this 1 or 9, yeah, you can apply that root digit technique, and that is how I got 229 is the answer for it. And hope you have understood what is the math done by me for finding the square root of a given number. Yeah, if you have any doubts, or if it is a little clumsy, or if you need a better clarification on this, yeah, just let me know in the comment section. Yeah, I'm doing one more video for the same. Yeah, and why I'm making, or why I'm putting these numbers directly means we should be in a position to do this math in our mind. That's all about Vedic math, speed math. It is 1700% quicker when compared to the normal this math that we are learning in our academics. Okay, it is going to do a lot of benefits for us if you go on practicing this. Trust me guys, and that's all for the day. Good day, bye.